Coinbase is the best exchange. Here's why. If you plan on trading cryptocurrencies, you've probably heard of Coinbase in an ad or in a conversation. It's one of the major cryptocurrency exchanges in the US today. Keep in mind that when it comes to your hard-earned cash, we don't claim to be financial experts, so at the end of the day, it's entirely up to you what you do with the information we provide in our content. Now that cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more common, these are a variety of options for buying and selling coins on your own, including Venmo, Cash App, and trading apps like Robinhood. Coinbase, on the other hand, is a popular choice, with 73 million users. Many regarded the company's public launch in April 2021 as a vote of confidence for digital currencies in general. In this video, we'll talk about Coinbase's strategy, funding history, product offerings, business activities, dangers, and future potential. We'll take a deeper look at Coinbase's business model, how it profits off of crypto asset predictions, and what it's doing to advance blockchain technology. Before we go any further, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about the crypto industry. So then, what exactly is Coinbase and what do they stand for? What is Coinbase? Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange that lets you buy, trade, and store over 30 different digital currencies. Coinbase is focused on beginners, whereas Coinbase Pro, the premium service, is for experienced traders who trade in large volumes and want additional trading alternatives. Investing using applications like Robinhood has been increasingly popular in recent years. Cryptocurrency is no different, and Coinbase is benefiting from it. In the third quarter of 2021, the company's expected revenue was $1.31 billion. Coinbase can currently be found in over 100 countries. The platform is really simple to use. Users can view their balance and a watch list, similar to many other trading applications, which allows them to follow the values of various cryptos. Traders can also see which cryptocurrencies are making the most notable fluctuations. But is there a service fee? Well, nothing truly good in life comes without a cost, right? Likewise, unlike applications like Robinhood, which promote free trading, Coinbase charges a small fee for trading on their platform. But the trading fees differ between Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, with Coinbase fees being higher and more complex. When you trade cryptocurrencies, Coinbase charges a margin of roughly 0.5%, as well as a Coinbase tax, which is a fixed fee determined by factors including where you're from and what sort of payment you're using. Coinbase doesn't charge consumers to store their assets in a digital wallet or to move cryptocurrencies inside the Coinbase network, such as from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. But if you're not utilizing Coinbase Pro, the fees on Coinbase will eat into your gains. What exactly made them so popular, though? The reasons for their popularity. By portraying itself as a safe harbor among crypto asset exchanges, Coinbase has grown in popularity and become the popular choice for mainstream crypto investors. Unlike many of its rivals, the company has never been hacked. In addition, Coinbase has also actively maintained cooperation with current rules and law enforcement, placing it on the right side of the law. Another enormous advantage in an industry in dire need of regulatory guidance. According to CEO Brian Armstrong, the main aim of Coinbase is to enhance economic freedom across the world. Coinbase's initial aim was to carry out a three-pronged plan to position and promote crypto assets as an investment vehicle, a new financial system, and an app platform. For the time being, though, Coinbase appears to be like a typical financial service company. Fees for brokerage and exchange are how the firm gets money. It also functions as a manager for user funds, similar to a bank, and determines which crypto assets to list on exchanges such as the Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange. You're probably all hyped up to start trading now after finding out all about it. So let's get into how you can trade with Coinbase. How to trade with Coinbase. It's time to decide which cryptocurrencies you want to invest in. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash are the 4 kinds of cryptocurrencies accessible for PayPal users to trade and are among the safest. Since they're among the most popular and valuable cryptocurrencies, most processing power is dedicated to maintaining their blockchain, which is the technology that powers cryptocurrencies, making them more difficult to hack. They've also been around for a long time, so if there was a bug, we'd know about it by now. Buying Bitcoin at a price roughly $42,000 per coin is unlikely to be a possibility for most investors. Ethereum costs over $3,000 per coin, and even Litecoin at over $100 could be too much for you. Thankfully, Coinbase allows customers to purchase a portion of a currency. Investing in applications like Robinhood frequently allow traders to acquire fractional shares, such as $25 in Amazon, instead of the $3,000 plus required to purchase a complete share. Traders can therefore purchase or sell digital currency for as low as $2 on Coinbase. Nonetheless, this doesn't change the fact that they are legitimate concerns. Just look at how Bitcoin hit a high in December 2017 before plummeting 50% the following month. Digital currencies are generally not subject to market forces as regular assets. Besides that, since cryptocurrencies have no real value, their speculative asset is solely dependent on the market's evaluation of their worth. To sum it all up, only invest what you're willing to lose. Anyone who participates should be conscious that they are essentially playing a game of financial musical chairs. Is Coinbase safe? You'll need a digital wallet to trade cryptocurrencies, as well as a place to store your funds in between transactions. A digital wallet, unlike a normal wallet, has an additional concern. Is the wallet safe from hackers? There are a few solutions available, each with their own set of security features. You can choose a hosted wallet if you don't want to stress about keeping your cryptocurrency away from the Coinbase app. This wallet is managed by a third party, in this example Coinbase, so you don't have to worry about losing all of your money if you forget your password, which is a real concern because some crypto investors have actually lost millions of dollars by forgetting how to access their wallets. Now that's a bummer. Unlike your bank account or investment portfolio, cryptocurrencies aren't protected by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation or the Securities Investor Protection Corporation. But Coinbase claims that it guarantees any digital money against theft due to a security breach or hack, employee theft or fraudulent transfer, but not against unauthorized account access. According to the company, 98% or more of its users' digital money is kept offline. Additionally, for both Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, a dollar amount of up to $250,000 is FDIC insured. If that's not sufficient enough for you, you can use a non-custodial wallet if you seek complete control over your cryptocurrencies without the participation of a third party. While you aren't concerned about the third party being hacked, you should remember your password or risk losing your digital assets. Nonetheless, having greater control lets you engage in more complex activities such as yield farming, which allows cryptocurrency owners to lend out their assets in exchange for larger returns. Customers can download the Coinbase Wallet, which is a non-custodial wallet, meaning it's essentially separate from the app. If you're still concerned about hacking, a cold wallet, also known as a hardware wallet, may be the best option. It's a physical device, similar to a USB drive that isn't connected to the internet and protects your computer from being hacked. That should alleviate any stress. Coinbase's prospects. Despite the obstacles we mentioned today in this video, Coinbase continues to develop its core operations and seeks new prospects. Coinbase aims to add more assets to its platform to hedge its exchange. This would not only help the company make more money, but it would also allow a broad user base to experiment with emerging blockchain applications. Additional assets are there for both a hedge and a bet on the sector's long-term viability. In these strategies, the Coinbase wallet is crucial. It's a source of client retention and growth, and it supports a variety of decentralized applications, currencies, and NFTs, with plans to add many more in the future. Their wallet has proven to be a good starting point for people who want to move on to more complicated crypto initiatives. When Coinbase went public in April of 2021, virtual currency investors that supported the startup saw significant gains. The organization now has the resources and skills it needs to expand at a faster pace. However, attaining its objectives would require dealing with not just market forces, but also global regulators and lawmakers. As the crypto sector grows in popularity, it's becoming increasingly vital for the industry to engage with policymakers. In the end, Coinbase's journey reflects the industry as a whole. Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies are getting closer to mainstream adoption, but not as quickly as crypto fans would want. Coinbase is basically at the will of speculators looking for a quick profit until a legitimate purpose for blockchain technology is implemented, tested, and used. Coinbase is fully aware of its present and future positions and is working hard to develop solutions that will allow it to ride this market for as long as possible. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Please leave a comment below to tell us what you think about Coinbase.